Hello children, this is 4th standard maths. Chapter name is factors and multiples. Now exercise 5.6. Amen. Find the first two common multiples of the number in each pair. Next here 6 and 8. Find the first two common multiples of following. So multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 means tables of particular number we have to write. It means tables of particular number. Multiples of 6. So 6 ones are table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are like that. Okay, dash dash. Multiples of 8 we have to write. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 52. Okay, 56 and 64, so on, dash dash dash, it continue. Okay, so we want a first two common multiples. What do you want? Common multiples. So common multiples, we want. So which is a common multiples here? 6, yes, 24 is common here. 24 is in 8 ones are tables also, and 48 is in 6 ones are tables, and 48 in 8 ones are tables. We want only two common multiples. So answer is 24 and 48. This is the answer, 24 and 48. Now second question, 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We wanted multiples of two common multiples of 3 number, 3 and 7. 3 and 7. So we have to write the multiples of 3 and multiples of 7 means tables of particular. Now here we have to write the tables of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30 and 42. Okay, then 4 ones are 7 tables of 3 and tables of 7. 7 tables we have to write. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 9s are 7 10s are 70. Now we have to write the common multiples. Any two common multiples. Which is a common here? Here tables of 3 is written here. Tables of 7 is written. After 3 ones are 3 10s are 30. Then we took 42 also, because the 3 33 36 till 42 we have to try. 36 and 40, 39, 42. Okay, which is common? Any two common multiples. Which is common here? Any common numbers? 24, 28, which is common? 21. Yes, 21 common here. Then 42, 42. So common multiples is 21 and 42. This is a two common multiples are 21 and 42. Next, third one, common multiples. Any two common multiples we have to try. 8 and 10. Multiples of 8 we have to write. That means 8 ones are tables of 8. Now 8 ones are tables. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, then 32, 8 fives are 40, 48, 56, then 64, 72, 80. Here 10 ones are table, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We want two common multiples. Any two common multiples? 40, 40, 80, 80. So common multiples are 40 and 80. This is the answer. So here next fourth question, 9 and 6. Now we have to write the multiples of 9, means tables of 9, and multiples of 6 means tables of 6. Okay, then write down the 9 ones are tables. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 45, 54 till 90 or 10. Then 6 ones are tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Any two common multiples we want. So which is common here? 18 is common, circle it, and 36 is common. Now common multiples are 89, 36. This is the answer. Common multiples are 89, 36. Now fifth question. 4 and 7. Multiples of 4 we have to write. 4 ones are 4 means tables of particular numbers. Tables. 4 ones are tables we have to write. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and we can try 60, 120. Now tables are 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. So which is common here? Common is 28. 28 is common. Then any other number, we want two numbers, no? So here only one common multiple we got, 28 and 28. Then 56 also, 28, because 4 into 7 is 4 sevens are 28. HCF, you have to try HCF. 4 sevens are 20. NCF. And NCF means 4 sevens are 28. 28 into 2 is 56. So 28 is a one common multiples, and 56 is the next common multiples. 56. So try 56 divided by 4. 56 divided by 4 means 4 ones are 16, 4s are 16, 4 11s are 14. 14 fours are 56. So here 56 also here, 46 and 56 also here, because 4 ones are 4, 4 1 carry, 6 means 4 fours are 8, means a 14, which is a common multiples. 28 and 28 here, and then 56, two common multiples. We want two common multiples. So 28 and 56. Now sixth question, 12 and 24. We have to write the multiples of 12, means tables of 12. Write down the tables of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. And multiples of 24 means tables of 24. Table 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 196, 100, 216, 240. Then we want a common multiple. So which is here common? 24 is common here. Then for one pair of common multiples. So 24 and 48 is a common multiples. Now seventh question, 4 and 6. Multiples of 4 mean tables of 4 we have to write. 4 ones are tables. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And multiples of 6 means we have to write the tables of particular number. Tables of 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. And any two common numbers, 12 multiples 24, 12 and 24. So common multiples here 12 and 24. This is the answer. Now eighth question, 5 and 10. Multiples of 5 we have to write. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And multiples of 10 means tables of 10 we have to write. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And two common multiples we want. So common multiples. 10 is here common, 10 is here common, and 20 is common here. 20 is common. So common multiples are 10 and 20. This is the answer, children. Now ninth question, 8 and 12, multiples of 8 we have to write, means tables of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. And tables of multiples of 12 means tables of 12 we have to write. 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. So here which is common here? 24. 24 is common, then 48 is common. So common multiples are 24 and 48 is common here. Now 10th question, 10, 9, 20. Multiples of 10 we have to write. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And multiples of 20 we have to write. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. And common multiples of any two, 20, then 40. 20 and 40. Now exercise 5.6 first main is over. Now second main B1. Find the LCM. LCM 6 and 12. With the help of factors of 6 and 12 we can find the LCM or HCF, or with the help of multiples of 6 and 12 we can find the LCM. Multiples of particular numbers so we can find the LCM. Now we have to find the LCM. By finding multiples of 6 and 10 separately we can find the LCM also. By finding the factors of 6 and 2 also we can find the LCM, or with finding prime factors division method also we can find the LCM. Now multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 means tables of particular number. It means tables of particular number we have to write. Means here we have to write the 6 ones are tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Then 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. Okay, now here 6 ones are tables is written and 12 ones are tables also written. Now we have to write find the common multiples. So here which is common? 24 is common here, 12 is common, then 36 is common. So here common multiples are 12 common here, 24 is common in both line, and 36 is common and 48 is common. Now we have to write the least common multiples. LCM means least common multiples. Which is the least common multiples here? Which is the least? 12. 12 is the least one. So answer is 12. So we have to write the multiples of particular number. Multiples of 6 means 6 ones are tables we have to write. And multiples of 12. Multiples of 12 means 12 ones are tables. And check any common numbers and circle it common numbers. After writing that common multiples you write 12, 24, 36, 48. Least LCM means least common multiples we have to write. So we have to check which is the least one, 12. Next second one is 8 and 12. So we have to write the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 means 8 ones are tables. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 56, 64, 72, 8 tens are 18. Then multiples of 12 means 12 ones are tables we have to write. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 72, 84, dash dash dash. Okay, because still here is 80. So common multiples, which is a common multiples here? 24 is common here. Then any common 48 is common. 24 and common 48. Yes, 72 also common. 72 also common. Then write the common multiples. Common multiples are 24, 48 and 72. Which is the least common multiples? Least common multiple is 24. So LCM is 24. Least common multiple is 24. Now third question, 9 and 5. The multiples of 9 we have to write, then multiples of 5 we have to write. Means 9 means 9 ones are tables. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 36, 45, 54, 9 6 9 6 63. Okay. Then 5 ones are tables we have to write. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Any common multiples here? Any common multiples which is common number 20, 45. Yes, 45. Then any numbers 45 only. So least we can extend the numbers, okay, till 72. We can extend number. Common multiples here 45 and least common multiples also 45. If you find the 10, 9 tens, 11s, 12s, 13s means we get more numbers. And here also if you extend the number means we get least common is 45. We want a least common multiple, that is 45. Now fourth one, 6 and 7, we have to write the LCM of the number. So multiples of 6 we have to write. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Means tables of particular numbers, means tables. Tables of 6, and here also tables of 7. Tables of 6 is written and tables of 7 are written. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Okay, tables of 7 also written. Now we have to write the common multiples. 42 is common here. We want the least one. So if you extend 6 11s are 66 and find the numbers means you get the some other multiples. But want the least one. So least one is 42 only. Highest common multiples means we have to try next numbers. Okay. HCF factors means we have to try next number. But here least common multiples we want only near first one. Then 4 and 7 means multiples of 4 means we have to write the tables of 4. Tables of 4, and here also we have to write the tables of 7. Write on the tables of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. It is the tables of 4. 4 ones are tables. And 7. Multiples of 7 means 7 ones are tables we have to write. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. Common multiples here 28. If we extend the number means 4 11s are 44 means we get, if maybe we get any other multiples also. Here common multiples we have only one, that is a 28. So least common multiple is 28 one itself. Next 6 1, 7 and 14. Multiples of 7 we have to write. It means the tables of 7. And tables of 7 means 7 ones are tables we have to write. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 47, 56, 63, 70. And tables of 14 we have to write. Multiples of 14 means tables of 14 we have to write. 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84. Which is common here. 28 is common. Then 70 is common. So common multiples is 28 and 70. Then we have to write least common multiples, which is the least common 28, smallest 28. Next 10 and 20. Multiples of 10 we have to write. It means the tables of particular number. Tables of 10 and tables of 20. Now multiples of 20 and 10. 10 ones are tables we have to write and 20 ones are tables we have to write. Which is common here? 20 is common. Then 40 is common here. Then 80 is common in both the side. And 100 also common. These are 10. Okay. So common multiples are 20, 40, 80, 100. Which is the least common multiples? First one. Smallest 20. So LCM is 20. Next 8th question, 4 and 6. Multiples of 4 we have to write. It means the tables of particular number. Tables. Means 4 ones are tables we have to write. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Tables of 6 here we have to write. 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 36, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. And common multiples, which is common here, both the side 12, 24 is common here, then 36 also common. So common multiples 12, 24, 36. So which is the least common? 12 is the answer. Ninth one, 6 and 8. Multiples of 6 we have to write. Means 6 ones are table. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 42, 54, 60. And multiples of 8 means 8 ones are tables we have to write. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. And common multiples we have to check. That is 18. 18 is common. No, 18 is not common here. Sorry. 24 is common here. Then 48 is common. 24 and 48. So here common multiples are 24 and 48. So which is the least common multiple? That is 24. Answer is 24. Next, 10th question. 4, 8, 12. So multiples of 4 we have to write means tables of particular number, and multiples of 8 we have to means tables of 8, and multiples of 12 means tables of particular number 8. Tables. 4 ones are tables you have to write. 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 48. The multiples of 8 means 8 ones are tables. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Multiples of 12 means tables of 12 we have to write. 12 ones are tables. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144. Now we have to check which is a common multiples. Which is a common multiples here? 24 here also 24, here also we have 24, and 48, yes, 3 side we have 48, 48 here, 48, and here also we have 48, 24 and 48. So here common multiple 24 and 48, and least common multiple is 24. That is the answer. Next, 11th question. 5, 15, 20. Multiples of 5 we have to write. Means 5 ones are tables. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 65, 75. Okay, we can extend. And multiples of 15 we have to write. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150. Multiples of 20 means 20 ones are tables. That is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. And common multiples we have to check. 60, 60, 60. Any other numbers? No other numbers. So common multiples is 60, and least common we have only one. Least common is also 60 then. Then 12 we have to try. 3 is a 12th question. 3, 6, 8. Multiples of 3 we have to write, and multiples of 6 and multiples of 8. Means multiples of 3 means 3 ones are tables. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Multiples of 6 means 6 ones are tables. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Multiples of 8 means 8 ones are tables. That is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. So which is a common multiples here we have to check. That is 24. Any other number? 30 is common here? No. So common multiple is 24, and so least common multiple is 24 itself. Next is prime factorization. A factorization is which every factor is prime is called a prime factorization of the number. Means all numbers are prime number. When you are factorizing, all numbers should be prime numbers. Means 20, we get 48, we have in factors, many factors. 12 ones also, 12 fours and any other numbers. But 24 twos are 48. We want a prime numbers first, this side, first side. So prime number. Here also 6 8s are 48 is there. 48 means 4 12s are 48, 3 16s are. 2 is a prime number, 24 is a composite number. Both 6 and 8 are composite number. Both 4 and 12 are composite number. 3 is a prime number, 16 is a composite. Okay, here any one number should be prime number. All the composite number can be factorized. Further has shown below that ring number are prime factors. So ring number here, if here composite 48 is given, 2 24 is a 48. Again we have to factorize the red one, ring 1. This is a prime numbers. Okay, this side all are prime numbers. Here also prime number. This is a composite number. So here also a ring red one prime numbers. Okay, so 48 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The only prime number we have to take. Only prime. So we have to, when you are writing factors, try to write in a left side all prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers, prime numbers, prime numbers. 48 has been completely factorized. It has been expressed as product of prime factor. Note that all combination give the same set of prime factors. Here they try with 2 into 24. Here 3 into 16 we tried. And here 4 into 12. Here 6 into 8. But answer factors are same. 2 into 2 into 2. Prime factors are same. Only we have to ring prime number color. Now exercise 5.7. Exercise 5.7. Here only prime factors. 2 48. 48 means 2 how much are divided? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 24 2s are 24 2s are 48. And 2 divide with 24 divided with 2 means 2 1s are 24 divided by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 24. Means 12 2s are 24. And 12 is given. 2 how much are, it means 48 is given. 2 how much are 24, 48, 2 24s are 48. And 2 how much are 24, 2 12s are 24. 12, 2 how much are 12, 2 6 are 12. So 6, 2 how much are 6, 2 3s are 6. And 2 2 2 2 2, these are prime numbers. And this 24, 12, 6 are composite numbers. So prime factor of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Only prime numbers. Factors should be prime number. 150 is given. 2 how much are 150, that we have to try. 150 only prime numbers means we have to divide with last numbers are even numbers, then it will divide with 2 1s are tables. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 15. Again we can try with the division method, same method. Okay, but here only prime number. Here should be only prime numbers. So here 2 how much are 2 150s are 2 how much are 2 75s are 150. It means 2 75s are 150. Okay, it means 2 75s are 150. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 15. 75 last number is 5, so it will multiply, divide only with the 5 ones or 3 ones. 3 ones also we can try. 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 15. 3 5s are 15, 25. 25 will multiply with 5 ones are tables, 5 is a prime number. So 2 3 5, 5 is a 25. Factors of 150 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. All are prime numbers. Now on 96 we have to try. 96. 96 which tables? Last number is 6. 6 is a even number, so it will divide it. All even numbers will divide. 2 ones are tables. 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. So 48. It means 48 2s are 96. We can try. So 2 here, 48 is a composite number. Then again we want prime number. Last number is 8. It will divide with 2 ones are tables. 2 and here maybe composite number. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Means 2 24s are 48. Again 24 will divide with 2 ones are table because last number is 4. So we can try with this also, this method, and we can write directly here. Okay, or 2 here, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. Again it will multiply with 3, 3 4s are 12, and okay, and this will divide 2 2s are 4. So it means 2 48s are 96, 2 24s are 48, 2 how much are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 how much are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 2 how much are 4, 2 2s are 4. Prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Now we have to try 108. 108 we have to try. In which tables 108? Last number is a even number. Even numbers means it will divide with 2 ones are table, 2 is a prime number. 2 5 is a 10, 2 4 is a 8. So 54 is a 54 2s are, we can try 54 2s are 108. So 54 2 is a prime. Here left side should be prime number, so we can write here 2 and this side 54. Means 54 2s are 108. Then again here should be only prime number. Last number is 4 means even number. Even numbers will multiply with 2 ones are tables. 2 2s are 4, dividing similar way. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry. 1 carry means 2 7s are 14, 27. 27 will multiply with 3 ones are table. 3 is a prime number. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. 9 again it will multiply with 3 ones are table. 3 3 is a 9. Prime number we have to mark with the circle and the composite number square. Okay. So 2 factors of 108 is 2 2 3 3 3. Understood? We can find here with the division method also, or 2 homos are 48 24s and 2 homos are 24 2, or we can divide 250. First divide and check 2 homos are 108, that is 54s, and here divide it directly, this method. Next, exercise 5.8, using the division method find the prime factors of the following. Here first question is 50. We have to find the prime factor of 50. So last number is 0. So here division method. No, so this is a division method. 2 ones are we can try. 2 2s are 4. Here dividing with 50 divided with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 carry. 2 5s are 25. And 25 will 5. Last number is 5. So it will multiply with 5 ones are tables. 5 5s are 25. So here only prime number we have to put. Factors are prime factors are 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 5 into 5 is a prime factors. This is a prime factor. Next is 54. So 54 means it divide 2 ones are tables. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, and 27 last number is 7. 27 multiply with 3 ones are tables. 3 9s are 27. We can try 9 3s also, but 9 is a composite number. Here we want only prime number. 3 9s are 27. 9 will multiply with 3 ones are table. 3 3s are 9. Factors are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Factor, prime factor. Next is 27. 27 drive in 3 ones are table. 3 9s are 27 because we want only prime number outside. And 9 will multiply 3 3s are 9. Prime factors are 3 into 3 into 3. Next is 90. 90 means last number is even numbers means we can try with 2 ones are tables. 2 is a prime number. 2 4s are 8. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10. Last number is 5, so it multiply with 5 ones are tables. 5 9s are 45. 3 3s are 9. Prime factors are 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. Next first one 116. 2 8s are 16. Last number 0, so it will multiply 2 ones are 2 here also 0. So even number 2 4s are 8 0. And 2 2s are 4 0. 2 10s are 10 20. 2 5s are 10. Prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5. $210. Whether we can try last number is 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Whether this is correct? Wrong. This is wrong because 210
it will divide to get 21 is a nearer one. Okay, 2 tens are 20, so we have to take 10, 2 digit. 2 tens are 20, 1 carry, 2 fives are 10. Here is 21, and 5 means it will multiply 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5. 121 into, we can verify the answer, multiply these two, we have to get the answer as 105. 21 into 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 105. Okay, 21 multiply 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21. So 7 also prime factor, 2 into 5 into 3 into 7, prime factor 2 into 5 into 3 into 7.